Hello everyone, this is another Learn Lounge tutorial, and today we are going to learn how to create a new course in the Learn Lounge dashboard. The first thing that we need to do is log into our teacher account, and we can do that by going to dashboard.learnlounge.games/login, and that will take us to this page. In here, you want to type in your email and type in the password. I've already done that here, and then click sign in. And it's going to take you to the dashboard. Welcome to the dashboard. Okay, the first thing that you got to go through is this active walkthrough, and it's going to give you some little descriptions about what you can find here in the dashboard. So as you read it, click next, and it'll take you through, okay, about the course menu, how to create a course, the button you need to click copy a course, entering the course homepage, which is this, where to go to find your roster, where to find your report, where to create new questions, how to send a student reminder, and how to share the link with your class. And then finally, how to get in touch with us if you need help. Hit thanks once you're done. And this is going to be your dashboard. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. And on the left hand side, this is your menu. If you click courses, it's going to pull up your course menu. So all of these are the courses that we've already created. So if we want to create a fresh new course, we want to click create course right down here. In this little pop-up menu, we want to fill in the details of the course. So let's just call this recording course, since that's what I am recording right now. And in the description, you can fill it out with whatever you want. So let's just call it 9th grade math stuff. Okay. And then for the schedule, you want to set the days for which you want this course to be active. So let's just say the 15th through the 19th, 1 week there. And for the display, you can choose if the questions are going to be displayed in order or for them to be random, whichever one you want. And once you have all of this filled out, you can click create course, and it's going to take you straight into the course here. So the first thing to notice is in the middle of the top of the page right here, there are some things for you to look at. This is the course code for which you can share with your students. This is the number of students you have enrolled currently. And then you have your start and end dates that you had just chosen when you created the course. And of course, the display, which we did order for this case. And here is the description. So on the right hand side, again, this is where you can check your roster, who's in your class, or to add new students. You can check on the statistics of your questions, how well the students are performing on these questions. This is where you can go to create new questions or to edit the questions that you already have. Send homework is how if you click here, you can send a reminder to your students. They will get a push notification letting them know that they need to do their coursework. And then if you click share, you can share the link with your students. Okay, so once you've created the course, the first thing that you're going to want to do is create questions for this course. So let's click on questions on the right hand side. And this will be the question menu. And we want to click in this box and select from one of these 4 question types: multiple choice, true, false, specific solution, and open-ended. Let's just go through these one at a time. We'll go through multiple choice. And there are A, B, C, and D, 4 answer choices. And let's click on question to type in our question. We'll click in this little box here. And let's say I have $20 and I spend $8 on a movie ticket. How much do I have left? Hey, that's going to be our question. We click insert, and it's going to pop up here as our question. And then for the answer choices, we need to click on each of the boxes to type those in. So for answer choice A, let's have this one be $8. Click insert. For answer choice B, we'll click in that box there, click in this, and let's say this one is $10. Insert. For C, let's say $12. Insert. And D with $14. Insert. So these are our 4 answer choices that we have written out for this question. If you want to select which one's going to be the correct answer, then you want to check one of these boxes. Okay, and if we have $20, we spend $8, we're going to have $12 left over. So C is going to be our correct answer. And we'll click on this box here to let the dashboard know that $12 is the correct answer. Click Add Question. And it's going to pop up on the right hand side. So these are your existing questions that you've already created, and you can go through the whole process to create more. So this time, let's do true and false. Okay, so this time let's just have a fun question. Chris likes Android phones. Okay, that's our true false question. We'll hit insert. And then, just like the last time, we want to select on one of these boxes to choose the correct answer. And let's say this one is true. We'll hit add question. So that's true and false. Next one we'll do is specific solution. And for this one, if we type in the question, let's say, what is 5 times 4? Okay, click insert. We want to type in our answer as 20. Okay, and since this is specific solution, your students have to type in the answer exactly as you do. So sometimes it's helpful for you to write a very descriptive directions in the questions. So we can say type your answer as a number. And that way they'll put the number 20 rather than typing out the word 20 in letters. Okay, because if they were to do that, but you put it in numbers, then they would count it as wrong, even though they were correct. They just put it in the wrong format. So the more descriptive you are, the better for specific solutions. We'll hit add questions. And it's going to pop up on the right hand side. And then the very last question type is open-ended. And read the note here, open-ended questions cannot automatically be checked for correct answers, because for these, the students can type in any answer they want, and it is up to you to go in and grade those yourself. So let's type in the question. Let's say, what is the meaning of life? Okay, we'll click insert. And that is going to be our open-ended questions. Again, you're not going to fill out any answers because there's no correct answer for open-ended questions. We'll hit add questions. And it's going to pop up on the right-hand side. So there you go. This is how to create a course and then how to create questions in the dashboard in that course as well. That's it for this tutorial. Take care.